Hey there, derps and chortles. Happy hump day. Do not eat the cereal. It tastes like carrots. It really does. And now I shall draw myself with my eyes closed. That's my head. A nose. Hair. Body. I wear shirts sometimes. Sometimes I don't like the, fingers. And pets. Legs. Shoes. And I'll write my name. Stephanie. And I'm done. Ta-da! It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not better than Scott's, I might have to say. Look, there's my name, my body. My pants are kind of askew. I have some stick arms and blob legs, blob feet, and a random line coming through my body. My hair is kind of floating. My nose is higher than it should be, but it's twins. That was me drawing myself with my eyes closed. See you tomorrow, Andrew. Blub blub.